So I was listening to the presidential debate, and then I came across Meet Kevin's presidential debate highlights. I didn't want to go back to the original video to find it, but he's already clipped it out. And so I'm just going to use his work to show you guys that if Biden wins, Tesla stock is going to skyrocket. So, we're going to listen to what he has to say, and then I will talk more about it.
Down the oil industry? Would you close down the oil industry?
By the way, I would transition from the oil industry, yes.
Oh,
I will
that's
transition.
a big statement.
It is a big statement.
That's a
because
big statement.
I would stop.
Why would you do that?
Because the oil industry pollutes significantly.
I see.
And here's the deal. But
That's
you
a
can't
big
do
statement.
that. Well, if you let me finish the statement, because it has to be replaced by renewable energy over time. Over time. And I'd stop giving to the oil industry, I'd stop giving them federal subsidies. He won't give federal subsidies to the gas, to solar and wind.
Yeah.
Why are we giving it to oil industry?
We actually do give
All right.
it to solar and wind.
We
And
have
that's
one
maybe the
final
biggest
question.
statement in terms of business. That's the biggest statement.
Okay.
Because
We have
basically
one
what he's
final
saying
question,
is he is
Mr.
going to
President.
destroy the oil industry. Will you remember that, Texas? Will you
Okay.
remember that, Pennsylvania, Oklahoma?
Vice President Biden, let me give you 10 seconds to respond, and then
Ohio.
I have to get to the final question. Vice President Biden.
He takes everything out of context. But the point is, look, we have to move toward a net zero emissions.
What will you say in your address to Americans who did not vote for you?
That statement, as you hear, if Biden wins, Suncor stock, Tesla stock will skyrocket. Suncor will crash like no tomorrow. So, this is just my opinion, and absolutely not financial advice. But this is what I think is going to happen with Suncor. I think Suncor is going to start moving up, and it's going to look like it's going to uptrend by October 30th, maybe even on November 2nd. But as soon as Biden wins, Suncor and ExxonMobil will crash like no tomorrow. Because if you look from the MACD perspective, it looks like it's uptrending right now. Suncor stock looks like it's uptrending. Same with ExxonMobil, it looks like it's uptrending. So I think that ExxonMobil and Suncor will look like it's going to go up and up and up. If you think that Biden is going to win, and if he does win, ExxonMobil and Suncor will sell off like no tomorrow, and you would make a fortune buying put options against it. But I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is simply my opinion. And then companies like Solo will probably benefit big from this. Why? Because they make electric vehicles. And according to Biden, he says that he wants to put subsidiaries to electric companies like Solo and Solar and anything that has to deal with electricity, anything that has to deal with renewable energy. He's going to give them subsidiaries. Electromed is going to be building a factory, and if Biden wins, Electromed stock could skyrocket because they are building electric vehicles, and they're building a factory, creating jobs, and Biden will give Electromed subsidiaries for building the factory in the United States to make electric vehicles, and that will skyrocket Electromed stock. And Tesla, so this is just my opinion, but from a MACD perspective, Tesla still looks like it's selling off. So what I think is next week, all of next week, Tesla is probably going to head down to $300. Please don't shoot me for saying that. because that's what I think is going to happen. And then as soon as Biden wins, Tesla's going to skyrocket and go back to $450 and start uptrending again, while Suncor and ExxonMobil will crash like no tomorrow if Biden wins. If Trump wins, I think Suncor and ExxonMobil will continue to move to the upside, while Tesla will probably move to the upside too, regardless, because it's Tesla. You know, people will be like, buy that dip. So, you know, that's what I think. I think Tesla's going to move up no matter what. I think Tesla's going to have a correction here in the short term, but I think ultimately Tesla will move back up again. NIO will probably move up with Tesla if Biden wins. If Trump wins, I think NIO is going to sell off. Why? Because NIO is a Chinese company and Trump is very, very hostile to China. And with Trump being president for the next 4 years, NIO's exchange listing is in question at that point, you know? That's just my opinion. NIO could sell off, but Tesla would probably stay the same. Maybe Tesla will continue to dip. I don't know at the end of the day. But hey, this is all my opinion, and none of this is financial advice. I'm just saying right now the market is, you know, a little bit green. I still think it's going to be very volatile moving forward. I still think that the market is going to keep going down. But hey, that's just my opinion, and you know, it may not happen that way, but market's, you know, very weak right now. Still grinding up slowly, but still very weak. Anyways, okay, I got another minute to go on my video because I need to make it at least an 8-minute video. And so, yeah, as you can see, Biden is he really wants to convert the United States into renewable resources because he cares about the environment. At least that's his campaign slogan, that he cares about the environment. I don't know if he really cares about the environment. I really don't know if Biden actually cares or if this is just a little a way for him to win over voters. I really don't know, but Trump cares about the oil industry. So if Trump wins, ExxonMobil and Suncor will probably skyrocket, in my opinion. But if he doesn't win, Suncor and ExxonMobil will crash. But we'll see. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.